Assalamualaikum. How have you been? Hope you all are doing well, and I'm also Alhamdulillah by the grace of Allah. Today I'll talk you in a different topic. Today's topic is how to talk in English and how to think in English. Why you don't talk? Why you can't talk in English? Have you any reason? Have you found any idea that why we can't speak in English? If you don't, then you have to watch my video. I have think a lot why I can't speak in English. I think the main reason is I do not think in English. This is the main reason. If I think in English, then my mind will produce English sentence, and that will help you. That is help me a lot to speak in English. Just think, when we speak our native language, suppose I am a Bangladeshi, that means my native language is Bangla. When I speak Bengali, I do not think anything. I just speak out whatever my mind had. So if I want to speak in English, at that time I have to think what is in English. If I think English, then my sentence will produce in English, and that will be more easier and more faster to translate myself in my head. If I translate at first, if I make sentence in Bengali, then translate in English, then it will be very bad for me, and it will not help me increase my English. So we have to, and especially I have to, stop this doing nonsense thing. We have to think a lot of English always. Whenever we are walking, we are sleeping, we are reading, and whenever we are talking ourselves in our mind, then we should use English language. I think this is the main process and the fastest process of to improve our English. So if you have any better idea than me, then you can share with me, and I will explain it in my next video. So this is for today. See you my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.